So welcome for today's class of mathematics. So let us add these two numbers. 22 multiplied by 7 is, let us see, 2 sevens are, first write down 14. Okay. So let me use other color for this. Yeah. So write down 2 sevens are 14. Next what you will do is, now you will have to add these two numbers. Okay, after adding 1 plus 4 you will get 154. Okay. Same thing you will do with this one, the other one. 3 fives are 15. So write down 1, 5. 3 fives are 15. Then you'll have to add these two numbers. See what answer you are getting. So 1 plus 5 will give you 6. So your answer will be 165. Okay. Next, let us do this one. 4 threes are 12. So write down 1. Let me use other color. So here 1, 2, right? So you'll have to add these two numbers. What you will get? 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So write down 3 over here. Okay. Next number you all have to multiply is 5 twos are 10. So write down 10. Okay. Now multiply this. What you will get? 1 plus 0 will be 1. Okay. Now let me do the other one. 6 plus 4 will give you 6 fours are 24. Okay. Then what you'll have to do? Multiply this or add this. Okay. You'll have to add this. Sorry. After adding 2 plus 4, what you will get? 2 plus 4, 6. So 264 will be your answer. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below. Okay.